welcome guys to my channel. So today we are looking at my products which I use for detailing. So let's get started. So first we have, okay, let's just start from the beginning, step by step. So first, these are the 3M masks which I use while polishing and compounding. So, and then these are the hand pro gloves. Let's get this here. And next are the microfiber towels. These are the 340 GSM, I guess. 340 GSM microfiber towels for exterior use, for polishing and buffing purpose. These are my microfiber wash mitts. One for one for exterior and one for the wheels. These are my foam application pads which I use. Then these are some detailing brushes for interior and exterior. Then we have a glass squeegee to clean the glass. This is the tire brush. Then we have our carpet brush which I use to clean the carpet. This brush is for cleaning the interior plastic stuff. So this is quite soft. This is a hard one. This is a soft one. So then we have Wonder Wash converting rim cleaner. So this is a wheel cleaner and iron remover. So we can use it on the wheels and the body also. So this is a 1 liter bottle. Then this is a tire polish. So tire and exterior trims which are black, we can use that. And next is this is a Clearview Sonax Clearview concentrate, which is to be used in the water tank of windshield wiper. We can use it in that in 1:100 ratio. And next is this is a 3M glass cleaner. And then we have actually I ordered a sprayer for my garden hose. So I'm going to test it and let's see how it works. Let's keep it here. And then next is our Wax Rapid Cut 4.7. 4.7 means it's rated 4 out of 10 for cutting and 7 out of 10 for polishing. So that's it. And next we have the McVitie's Ultimate Polish, which is very famous. And then we have the Wax Dashboard and Leather Conditioner plus Protectant. And we got a sprayer bottle from Wonder Wash with the product. So this is a good thing. And then we have the isopropyl alcohol, which is used to prep the surface before compounding and polishing, and after polishing also, to check our work. And then we have some samples from Wonder Wash. There is a cool snow foam which is to be dissolved into 1:9 ratio. And then we have another sample from Wonder Wash, which is MPSP spray polish for tire, dashboard and leather. So we will test it afterwards to see how it works. And then we have some spray. And next we have some general purpose microfiber towels from Amazon. This is an Amazon Basics product. And then we have Lake Country's polishing and cutting pads. Then this one is Lake Country's yellow pad, which is a cutting pad, and this is a flat pad. Then we have Lake Country's cutting pad, which is a waffle pad. Then we have Lake Country's black polishing pad. And next is Lake Country's orange pad, which is a waffle pad, but is for heavy polishing. And then we have the Lake Country's blue pad, which is a finishing pad. which is used for polishing also. So that's all we have. So this is a clay bar, and this is a clay lube which is to be used before claying for lubrication, and this is the spray, and other one is wax, Carnauba wax. In future videos I'm going to show how to use all these products, so stay subscribed. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.